Learn how to photograph, edit, and animate still life photography to create engaging GIFs for social media. Enter the realm of still life animation and develop a new way of looking at the world with creative photographer Andre Rucker. He's been using the streets and his urban upbringing as inspiration for his playful images for over 10 years, collaborating with brands including Anthropology, Nair, and Miro. In this course, Andre teaches you how to make fun and colorful GIFs and videos in Photoshop using animated still life images. Learn how to add a creative touch to your content and attract attention on Instagram by animating conventional objects in unconventional settings. Learn to create a lively original character from start to finish by exploring the fundamentals of color, light, and design. When you learn to see the world in terms of light, color, and design, it's hard not to be inspired, says concept designer, illustrator, and NFT artist Sami Khalid, better known as Chig. He believes that drawing, painting, and design are visual representations of how much you observe in the world around you, and views his creative process as an evolution. Most of Chig's work involves designing for film, TV, and animation, in both 2D and 3D, for clients including Warner Brothers, Disney, Riot Games, and Netflix. In this course, he teaches you the industry-tested processes and techniques that he has used as part of his creative and professional practice for years. Learn the fundamentals of research, painting, and design for character creation using image editing software. Develop the skills and confidence to design your own unique character. Begin your stop-motion filmmaking journey today with the digital image capture software trusted by major motion picture studios and independent filmmakers alike. Step directly between live view and captured frames or switch to auto toggle. Loop playback to get the sense of movement you're aiming for. The playback and stepping functions are fully customizable for your needs. Load multiple reference stills or videos and view them with your animation. Blend them with opacity, pull a chroma key, blue screen, and even assign a garbage matte to see just the part you want. Pop out reference videos into a synchronized player if you want it off to the side. With the Dragonframe keypad, you can stay focused on animating instead of hunting around with the mouse. And the hotkeys are fully configurable, so if you really like a feature that is not on the keypad, you can move it there. "3D-Coat" is the application that has all the tools you need to take your 3D idea from a block of digital clay all the way to a production-ready, fully textured organic or hard surface model. Much faster voxel and surface sculpting. New features. Auto Retopo improved. New voxel brush engine added. New alphas collection. New core API. Node system for shaders improved. Bevel tool. New curves tools. Export.gltf format enabled. This class is about practicing the basic drawing skills and making several sketching exercises. If you are an absolute beginner at drawing, this one can be a perfect choice for your very first drawing class. Or if you are not a beginner, but you are having difficulties with your drawings, you are just probably missing some of the basic puzzles which can be easily fixed in these lessons. The goal of these lessons is to gain confidence at drawing these simple elements that we will use to build more complex objects. In this 5-hour tutorial, I will show you how to create this scene in Blender step by step. In addition to Blender, which is covered in most tutorials, we will also use reality capture for photo scanning and Photoshop for creating bump and roughness maps. If you are not using any of these programs, no problem, because I will share with you the photo scans and maps used in the tutorial. If you are interested in creating realistic scenes and film design, this is the course for you. This pack includes 233 high-resolution photos with man's portraits. The shooting is done in a low key on a dark background. The contour light reveals the volume of the face and gives a dramatic mood for portrait. In the set has photo with calm emotions in different angles and more aggressive and brutal. There is also a photo with war paint on the face. His pack includes 746 high-resolution male portraits, framing up to the chest and closer. This is a photo shoot of a man with a neurointerface, an image in cyberpunk style, science fiction and futurism. I wanted to focus on a wide range of expressive emotions. The set can be used as references to study various emotional states, not only in the sci-fi style. Do you find it difficult to model hard surface objects inside of Maya? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Hard Surface Modeling in Maya 2022 course. My name is Abraham Leal and I have 11 years of experience in the industry. I have been teaching 3D for the past 7 years while managing my own studio in Mexico. By the end of this course, you'll be able to model hard surface objects inside of Maya with proper topology and edge flow. You will be able to tackle complex shapes and simplify them using the necessary workflow for subdivision modeling. You will be able to create professional-looking renders to present your hard surface models.